Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to still Tokyo. We are still here in Japan, but we have switched hotels. We are over at the MESM Autograph Collection by Marriott, also here with a view of Tokyo Bay. I did get upgraded. I have the Marriott the Marriott Bonvoy Boundless card, and that one gives you silver status, but with my Amex Platinum, I get gold status, and that starts to get you upgrades, and it did get us this beautiful corner view, which is one level up from what we had originally booked. So this room is a little bit bigger, and this hotel is so cute, and I don't want to say quirky because that kind of sounds negative, because it's not, but it's so cute and it has so many fun little things. So we're going to actually go back here to the entrance because I want you to see this guy here, the Tokyo Waves, and it says if you take a picture with your phone using the flash, it looks completely different. I'll put a little picture up over here of what that looks like. So it looked really cool. It looked like a completely different thing when I did it. So that's pretty cute. Just right here in the entrance, this is where you come in. So you're gonna get your steps in just walking around the room. Next thing is you've got your commode right here, and it's a nice washlet with the Toto panel and everything. And you got a nice little sink in here too to wash up with, so that's perfect. And I'm not gonna lie to you, but I love a pump hand wash as opposed to those little soaps. I don't know why, I really hate those little soaps so much. I love it when they have the pump. Bathroom, you guys, look at this. How cute is this bathroom? So you've got the little vanity over here with the bench and everything. And then you can set your things right here. I don't know what the deal is with this, but this is really cool. It's kind of like a puzzle. It looks like, oh, that's where your amenities are. So they're inside here. And then you've also got skincare here, 2 of those, because there's 2 of us, some lotion, and then some face wash towels too. A couple of outlets in here, which is really good for drying your hair. The sink space looks really good. It's perfect because you got this space here to set your toiletry bags, so that's good. Look at these robes. Are these not the cutest? These are like kimono style robes, you guys. I don't know how I'm gonna put that on, but you better believe I'm gonna try one of those. I love a good robe. Then look at this shower tub combo. This is very common in Japan. You've got the tub here, and you've got the shower is separate. Sorry, it's on this side. And then you've got your shower separate over here. And then you do see that you're looking straight into the room, but there are curtains or blinds that come down and cover that up so you can have your privacy if you want to have a nice little moment to yourself in the shower. This is the closet. Again, it's huge. Look at how big this is. You have all these drawers, and you have all your regular things that they give you at the hotels here. Your slippers, you got 2 pairs of those. But look at this. If you don't want to wear the slippers and you want to do the Japanese style slides, you can do those. And then they have your shoe horn for putting your shoes back on, and you've got your iron and ironing boards. So that is perfect. Now we're into the regular room. We finally made it in here. This is what I'm talking about, some of the cute quirky things. Look at this phone. It is push, but it's still fun and nostalgic because, well, those are really fun to use when we were kids. Shows my age, right? And then check this out. You've got 1 USB and 1 here, and then you can control anything from here, open and close, but there's another way to control it. I'll show you that in just a minute. The drapes, the sheer, any of it you can control right here at this panel. There's also a little light right here. You just push and flip it, and you can have as much or as little light as you want. I'll cover it so it's not blinding you, but you can flip it all the way out and it'll be really bright. Bed looks great, looks super, super comfortable. Looking forward to that. I know you see some quirky things over there. We'll talk about those in a minute, but first, let's just talk about this coffee and tea area, because if there's one thing I absolutely adore about Japanese culture, that is their love of tea and coffee. Holy moly. This is the kettle, you guys. Look at how nice that kettle is. It's so cute. It's probably the cutest one I've ever seen. And can we talk about the fact that you can do your own pour over? They call it slow coffee style. Not only that, guys, look at this. You've got your selection of matcha, which I'll show you in a second what you can do. Matcha, and then of course your coffee that you do with your pour over, sugars, all that kind of stuff. And then these are all included. Everything in this mini bar is included, they told us. We've got water, juice, and beer, 2 of each, only 1 of the water there. And then, this is what I'm talking about here, guys. You saw that matcha tea earlier? We can make it ourselves right here. Is that amazing? You got little bowls to drink out of, and you've also got these here, and you can do your ice. So pretty good selection of things. Of course, the TV and your electrical panel, which thankfully is translated English and Japanese. You got a couple of USB plugs here, and then you've also got 2 electrical outlets there. Now, we come over here, you've got the table. You do have 1 little ottoman you can sit on there. You can face that way or this way. You got a view of the trains coming and going, Shinkansen zipping through back there in the distance, and the local train here, kind of fun to see both of them. So that's going to be fun to look at night, looking at the trains, looking at the cars. But then if you turn around, you've got a view of the bay as well. So that is absolutely incredible. Beautiful to have both views. And we've got our couch here to sit on. Now this is, I'm not really sure what the story is behind this offering in the room. But there is a little keyboard here. Let's see, turn it on. I don't know what you can do, but you can do something. Oh, I might have it all the way turned down. Let's see. Ooh, there we go. Got it. I'm not really a piano player, so it probably doesn't help me, but Rob is, so he'll be able to play something. Maybe he can play me some music to go to sleep to. Okay, and then right here is the final nightstand, and that's also where you can charge your tablet, which you can also, remember earlier I said that panel over on the other side, you can control all the bed stuff. You can do that here, all the lights and everything in the room, you can do that here as well. So that has this little home here, so that's perfect. This is really an amazing room. We use some certificates to redeem here, so make sure you guys check out the links. We've got more information on what some of the welcome offers are that you get with credit cards, so check those out. That's how we get a lot of these rooms. That's how we get a lot of these upgrades. Do not miss out on that. Make sure that you also sign up for our newsletter. Link for that is down below. If you have any questions, also leave those for me in the comments section. Subscribe to the channel if this was helpful, and give me a like, and I'll see you guys next time.